Welcome back, everyone. We're back again with an amazing music breakdown for the track Joint in the Booth. Before beginning the tutorial, if you like our work, then please like, subscribe, and share our videos. Your support means a lot to us, and if you have any queries regarding, do comment or reach us on Instagram. So, let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, the tempo has been kept around 140 BPM, and jumping directly to the rhythm section, a kick has been used. Also, the snare has been layered along with a clap. Next is an open hat. Finally, a hi-hat. And this is how the rhythm section sounds like all together. Coming to our favorite element of this track, that being this 808. And the 808 melody sounds like this. Let's see how it sounds like the rhythm. Beautiful. So let's move on to the melody section. The melody section of this track is very simple, and we can hear a Latin guitar sample being used. And for some variation, the same sample has been lowered down by an octave. So that's it. This was pretty much all about the elements off this track. Now let's hear everything along with the vocals.
I join the booth. I make a point when I shoot. चले बस बड़े ही moves. तब सभी पे तू. फटेगी सुन लेगा fees. ऊपर क्या blues है screw. And I had nothing to do. तू सभी पे जा रहा था तू. I didn't join in the booth. I make a point when I shoot. चले बस बड़े ही moves. तब सभी पे तू. फटेगी सुन लेगा fees. ऊपर क्या blues है screw. And I had nothing to do. तू सभी पे जा रहा था तू. पंगे ना लेना मैं ऊपर से कुकू हूँ शीफू सा सीना संभाला बखूबी तू नोटों की गड्डी और डेटा बहुत ग्रेट है तो मामूली नजर ना लगे ले तू सुपर हूँ मेगा टन रैपर डिलीटर हूँ पैरे ये गोल पर और बंदी का कीपर हूँ कीप अकाउंट टीपन हूँ शिकन और गिदर डू रेडी टू फॉरगेट द ब्रेरे ये सेबर डू इनके आगे बिनु वनी नाइस है देखिए कोई नहीं मुझे मेरे दाएं बाएं चिपी गाने लिखो क्वालिफाइड है राजा बेटा मेरे आगे टाइट है